The Hells Angels became legends after one deadly night in 1969. The Rolling Stones held a free concert at Altamont Speedway, California, and hired the Hells Angels as security, paying them in beer. Over 300,000 people showed up. The Angels, armed with chains and pool cues, tried to control the crowd. Then, during the Rolling Stones set, a man named Meredith Hunter pulled a gun. A Hells Angel stabbed him to death in front of everyone. It was all caught on film. What was meant to be a peaceful concert became a tragedy, and that night turned the Hells Angels into one of the most feared motorcycle clubs in the world.